We're going to be dropping that little guy from up there to right there. And hopefully it gets demolished. Phone, battery, back, looks to be fine. Doesn't look too good. So we're gonna try another drop. Well, that one didn't look like it was too bad. Screen and everything's still fine. And we're good to go. Another drop. That one was an awesome drop. The top screen flew off. So let's see. Can it go back in? Is the question. Oh my god. That took a ton of force, but it got back in. And now for the wall slam. Nothing major, we got that. Nothing. Now honestly, this phone will not break no matter what I do to it. The screen, the nothing. I threw it right at this part and it hasn't shattered. Nothing done to this phone. Nothing. But I know something that will. See where I hit it right on the top? It cracked the top of the screen, but the screen itself is fine and the back. So I'm gonna try to hit it right on the screen on the front. Definite. I'll get it in the light. That is a definite shatter. Oh. Here's a look at the inside of it. It's gnarly. So the front and back shattered. So yeah, that's about it for this video. See you next time.